Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. There is uncertainty about how the business process outsourcing sector will be impacted by advanced developments in artificial intelligence. Local stakeholders have, however, expressed confidence that as AI advances, the BPO sector and the talents needed will evolve. Javon Keys reports.
One expert says based on the unpredictable trends in the technology, it's difficult to say exactly how the global services sector will be affected by the advancements in artificial intelligence. Market data expert and CEO of US-based firm Trends Owl, Stephen Lloyd, says AI could be a major disruptor to operations in the business and knowledge process outsourcing sector.
What we've seen within the last 6 months or less than that with OpenAI and ChatGPT is it's doing things that quite frankly is astonishing a lot of people, and it's astonishing a lot of very bright people. Some of these people are saying we might need to take a pause to get our sea legs on this thing because the next iteration or the iteration after that, if it achieves super intelligence unexpectedly, no one really knows how that might impact not just the workforce but the world in diverse ways.
Vice President of Business Process Outsourcing and Logistics at the Port Authority of Jamaica, Gloria Henry, says, however, that as the technology evolves, higher order skills will be required in the industry.
Humans are needed to help to make the machines work in the way that they're designed to work. So there are opportunities for Jamaica's GSS to augment and to improve their productivity and to operate in new areas, new and emerging areas supporting AI and artificial intelligence driven technology.
So we should not be fearful.
We should not be fearful.
Industry Minister Auburn Hill agrees.
Artificial intelligence is here, it's new, we don't even know where it's going to go. But I want to say to people who have fears that we went through that when nuclear energy was identified and used in the Second World War. But even then, enemies came together. We were looking at what is called mutual assured destruction, MAD. And that enemies came together and came to an agreement that kept our world going for so many decades now. I'm sure that as this new technology comes, it will provide challenges, but we're smart enough to get together to find a way to manage it.
For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
The US dollar is being sold for an average $155.43. $114.49 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost of the pound is $195.74, while it's costing an average $172.77 for the euro. And to the stock market now, the JSE index gained 1,412 points today, while the junior market index fell by 39 points. Among the winners, G West Corporation, Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica, Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, Cygnus Credit Investments, and T-Tech. Losers were led by Jamaica Public Service 7%, 138 Student Living, Jamaica Variable Preference, Cargo Handlers, iCreate, and Caribbean Assurance Brokers. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.